In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to discover coins before they get listed on Binance. Knowing about a cryptocurrency before it appears on major exchanges like Binance can offer significant opportunities for savvy investors. Not only does it give you a first-mover advantage, but it also allows you to potentially capitalize on price movements once the coin becomes publicly traded. So, let's dive into this comprehensive guide and explore the best strategies to find these coins early. First, let's talk about monitoring Binance's official channels, because that's where you'll find the most reliable information. The Binance announcement page is a key resource, constantly updated, with official notices about new listings. Checking this page regularly can keep you informed about which coins are making their debut on the platform. Next, there's Binance Alpha. This is a treasure trove of information if you're interested in diving deeper into new projects, their roadmaps, and all the technical intricacies involved. It's like getting a backstage pass to upcoming coins. Lastly, don't forget about Binance Square. This is where you, as part of the community, can engage directly with other investors and enthusiasts, sharing insights and speculations about potential new listings. Now, another great tactic is to utilize data aggregators. Websites like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko have special sections dedicated to recently added or upcoming cryptocurrencies. By keeping an eye on these sections, you'll get a sense of which coins are entering the market and whether they have the potential to grow. CryptoRank is another fantastic tool, particularly its upcoming token sales section. This is where you can explore projects that are still in their early stages. Additionally, Drops tab is worth checking out, especially if you're looking to analyze the metrics and investor activities that could indicate trending tokens. These platforms provide a wealth of data that can help you make informed decisions. Engaging with launchpads and pre-sales is another effective strategy. For instance, Binance Launchpad and Launchpool are excellent avenues for participating in token sales before they are officially listed on Binance. Similarly, platforms like CoinLaunch can help you discover new crypto coins through initial DEX offerings, IDOs, initial exchange offerings, IEOs, and initial coin offerings, ICOs. Engaging in these allows you to become an early adopter, potentially reaping the benefits once the coin hits a larger market. Finally, don't underestimate the power of following industry insiders. Social media is a great place for this. Platforms like X, formerly known as Twitter, are full of influencers who are deeply embedded in the cryptocurrency space. By following people like @Kobe, @Ansem, and @Arthur0x, you can gain early insights and perspectives that often hint at which coins are worth keeping an eye on. These insiders frequently share valuable information that can give you a heads up before a coin becomes mainstream. So, there you have it. A complete guide on how to discover coins before Binance listings. By monitoring official channels, using data aggregators, engaging in pre-sales, and staying connected with industry insiders, you're well equipped to identify promising cryptocurrencies early. Happy investing!